XRP holders, we've got some things to talk about in this video, guys. XRP's revolutionary plan revealed, and really Ripple behind XRP. Their revolutionary plan has been revealed. It is absolutely insane what is coming next for XRP. Everybody wants to talk about cross-border payments. And listen, there's a lot of money in cross-border payments, a lot of opportunity. But what people aren't talking about is usually the biggest opportunity. And in this article that I just read, it basically confirmed everything that I want to hear. Now, I have a vested interest in XRP and I want to see it do well. Obviously, I'm invested in it. I've been invested in it. We've been rocking with the XRP army since XRP was 40 cents. You can go back and run the tape. I've been here rocking with you guys for a very long time. So if you're not yet subscribed, make sure you do that first and foremost. Hit that subscribe button, smash the like button. We're almost at 195K subs. It would mean a lot to me. But what's coming next with XRP and with what's coming next with Ripple is tokenization. And there's more here. It just got endorsed by SBI CEO. And you might ask, well, why is that relevant? Who cares? Who's SBI? Well, let me just say this. Ripple's vision of future RWA tokenization is becoming clearer and clearer by the day. And they have enormous plans, Ripple that is, for the market of RWA tokenization, as it expects it to boost from the current market value to $6 trillion this year. And by 2033, this market, the RWA market, is expected to hit a mind-boggling $19 trillion, which constitutes a 53% growth. Now, this massive tokenization expansion is to be fueled by several factors, in my opinion, and by the experts. It includes the expanding institutional adoption of tokenization, investor demand, regulatory advancements, and so on and so forth. What's happening right now is the perfect storm for the merge of TradFi to DeFi. Besides, a lot of financial players are now treating tokenization as much more than an experiment. They're actually doing it. You have companies out there like Ondo Finance, who's partnered with Ripple, by the way. Chainlink and HBAR just linked up. All of these companies are going to be working together. AVAX is in the mix here. For them, now is the revolutionary development for reaching their strategic goals. This is what Ripple is doing. They are paving the path forward. They are making a big play at tokenization. And if you listen to a lot of the experts, it's tokenization as a service for the big banks. So Ripple.com recently just put out an article, and I want to share this with you guys in this video real quick. All right, let me share my actual screen so you can see what the hell I'm looking at here. Boom. How the tokenization of financial assets is transforming financial services. The market for tokenized financial assets set to go to 19 trillion by 2033. In a new Ripple and BCG tokenization report, we examine the state of tokenization today. They talk about what tokenization is. Okay. Low risk adoption, right? That's how it starts. Institutional expansion, market transformation, and here's the benefits in financial services. The process of digitizing RWAs into tradable tokens enhances liquidity, transparency, and accessibility by enabling 24/7 transferability. There's no waiting for the big banks anymore. Instant settlements, automated compliance via smart contracts. This reduces reliance on intermediaries. There's no need for them. It accelerates transactions, broadens market access. It's just a much better system. Financial giants benefit from lower costs, faster settlements, expanded investor reach. Other customers gain enhanced security, fractional ownership opportunities, and more efficient asset management. So, investment-grade bonds, real estate, collateral and liquidity management, trade finance and working capital, treasury and cash management. These are all considerations for RWA tokenization. And Ripple is at the forefront of it. This is coming from their official website. And they know that this is the tipping point. This is the time period where you need to get in now. They're making a big play here, guys. This is, to me, insane what's coming with the RWA revolution. Companies like Ripple, Ondo, Chainlink, HBAR, Algorand. These are all assets that I personally am prioritizing. I personally am stacking, and I'm finding the best times to buy these assets by utilizing my trading indicator, XT Algo. There's a link down below to that. A little over $1 a day, get you started. This will give you the best tools you need in order to get in at the right times. And I'm trading this stuff in the meantime, short term. I have long term positions and short term. I've got my links down there to BITUNIX and BTCC, both my top preferred exchanges. This is the move I'm making in the altcoin space. Yes, I'm dabbling here and there with some, other plays, but where most of my capital is, it's going into these assets like XRP that fits this RWA narrative. And so they've basically revealed their plan with this new article that came out on their website. Why would they put it out there? It's because they are going to help shape it, be at the forefront of it. And so I'm super excited about where this whole thing's going. I feel like I'm going to get some winners. They're not all going to be winners, but I'm going to win big on some of these in the end. That's how I'm looking at all of this right now. So go ahead and smash the like button, guys. If you haven't already, subscribe down below. Appreciate you for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.